On request from Pakistan Rangers, the BSF has agreed to cancel the flag ceremony at least for the next 3 days. Sources say the BSF had received an intelligence input earlier this year about a possible attack on the Pakistani side of the Wagah border.
नहीं, हमारा कल रात ही उनसे संपर्क हो गया था। मतलब जो एक बेसिक कंपनी कमांडर लेवल की फ्लैग मीटिंग हो गई थी और उसके बाद ये निर्णय हुआ है कि 3 दिन तक अब जो है वाघा पर जो ज्वाइंट रिट्रीट सेरेमनी है वो नहीं होगी।
Since yesterday evening there was a blast across the Pakistani area and there is a tension across the Wagah border area. There is a high alert has been sounded in Wagah border area and now you can see the bus has reached here at Wagah border just now and they have landed here and this bus will go to Pakistan, from Pakistan Lahore to Delhi and some of the Pakistani passengers you can see they are standing here. That there is a frisking and checking of there are 2 patients from the Pakistani side. They have to be they are going to Delhi for the medical checkup and there is a total chaos in the area and high alert has been sounded all around the Pakistani area and this Indian area also, and the BSF and the Pakistani agency they had information that there may be some suicide attack on the Wagah border, and you can see the dog squad has been pressed into service to check the all baggage in the bus. And they are taking all precaution measures. Normally they are checking, but today there is a high alert has been sounded all along the from Wagah border to up to Delhi, and agencies has already alerted up to Jammu area that there can be another suicide attack in even Jammu area also. The BSF and the other area the security agency has been given high alert. Ashwini Kumar for Headlines Today in Wagah border.